Very good morning, children. Welcome to the psychology classroom. I hope you all are well and everybody is fine at home. I just hope you all are giving your examination very properly. So your examinations are very near to you and we are making a revision. Okay? I hope your examination will goes well and good. Okay? Sure. Firstly, I should provide you the details. I hope you are able to see the date. The date is 14/12/21, class 11C, subject psychology. We are doing the revision. In terms of the revision, yesterday only I had discussed with you infancy stage. So human development के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. The chapter 4. Chapter 4, Human Development. We are doing the revision of the chapter Human Development. Human Development, where we are discussing about different stages of human development. Different stages. In that reference, in that different stages of human development, I already discussed with you the prenatal stage and infancy stage. So let's study about today the childhood stage. Childhood. सुनते ही you always remembered, I think you goes into your childhood period. So yes children, it is very important that when you study any topic, psychology is something which is most of the time related to your daily life. And it is something which you want to, if you want to understand it, the more and more you understand it from your real life, and real life examples, the better you understand it. So when you have to understand this stage of human development, you have to go into your childhood days, or either you observe some children surrounded to you. उनको भी आप ऑब्जर्व करके आप इस स्टेज को बहुत अच्छे से समझ सकते हैं. In this stage also, we are going to discuss about different development. Like here also we are going to discuss about physical development, motor development, cognitive development, physical, motor, socio-emotional development, and finally moral development. Please note down these points. So these kind of development we have to discuss about in childhood stage. Physical, motor, cognitive, socio-emotional, moral. I hope you all have written down. So firstly we will discuss about physical development. Physical development. So what is physical development? Physical development is something basically when we are talking about this, so it is related to your body. So the two patterns are usually shown during childhood. Childhood stage we are discussing, so which start from the 2 years, 2 साल से start होता है and it end at 11 years. जब बच्चा 2 से 11 साल में रहता है, it is in the childhood period from 2 to 11 years. I told you also that this childhood period is divided into 3 parts: early, middle, late. 2 to 5 is early, 5 to 7 is middle, 7 to 11 is late. Now in terms of the physical development, the two patterns are shown. First is proximodistal and second is cephalocaudal. So the two patterns are shown here in terms of the physical development. Proximodistal, cephalocaudal. Proximodistal here the word is proxy. Proxy which means nearness. So कैसे development होता है proxy? Proximodistal means the जो near parts of the body are developed first, then the rest part of the body. जो parts of the body सबसे पास में हैं वो पहले develop होते हैं in comparison to the far. Okay, in the starting, if they have to reach to any object, they move their whole body and then they use their hand, and slowly they use their finger, which come under the motor, fine motor skill. So proximodistal pattern. Second pattern which is shown is cephalocaudal. Cephalocaudal is derived from the two words cephalic and second caudal. Caudal means tail and cephalic means head. Caudal means tail and cephalic means head. Cephalocaudal pattern development हो रहा है. यानी what is the meaning of cephalic caudal? means head develop first, then the other rest of the body. हेड पहले डेवलप होता है, देन द रेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. एंड दैट इज वाई यू हैव फाउंड दैट कि जो इन द चाइल्डहुड पीरियड द चाइल्ड हेड इज मोर बिगर देन द अदर. इनिशियली चाइल्ड का जो हेड होता है स्टार्टिंग में अर्ली चाइल्डहुड पीरियड में बड़ा होता है, फिर धीरे 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 इट इज प्रोपोर्शनेट टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. So ये two patterns are shown under the physical development. Next, other physical development are there, basically initially increase in body weight, then slowly with the late childhood they have decrease in body weight, they become slim and thin. Okay, their body, their head and other body, rest of the body are in the proportionate manner. Okay, some of the motor development take place. Abhi we are going to discuss about the motor development. Motor development which is related to the movement, like for example, firstly they crawl, then they walk, then they about to start running. So इस तरीके से development होता है, ठीक है, in terms of the motor development. Okay. Please note down these points. Now, after the physical development, the next development which we are discussing is motor. In motor development, two kind of skills are basically shown. The first is the gross motor skill. And second is fine motor skills. First is gross motor skill and second is fine motor skill. Gross motor skill basically related to the holistic development, but fine, like for example, if the child is about to grasp any object, so if he is using the whole hand, so that is a gross motor skill, but using the finger is come under the fine motor skill. Okay, use of fingers come under the fine motor skill. Okay, now we will move toward to the next type of development, which is cognitive and which is very important. Cognitive development, obviously it is related to the thinking. It is related to something cognition. Okay, cognitive development कैसा होता है childhood में? Again come back to the point and make a revision of Jean Piaget. Jean Piaget, who has given the theory of cognitive development, and come to the point, Jean Piaget talked about the 4 stages. The first is sensory motor, which come under the period of infancy, and second is the pre-operational stage. So in the childhood period, the child is in the 2 stages of the cognitive development which discuss about the Jean Piaget. The first is the pre-operational stage and second is the concrete operational stage. Okay, is it clear? So what is pre-operational stage? It come under the from 2 to you can say that 7 year, and then after the 7 year, जब बच्चा 7 साल का हो जाता है, after the 7 to 11 year, there is a stage of concrete operational. ठीक है, so I am going to explain you that one also, what is concrete operational. So firstly let's discuss. So cognitive development में आ जाएगा सबसे पहले the चाइल्ड में प्री ऑपरेशनल स्टेज में होते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द जीन पियाजे. प्री ऑपरेशनल स्टेज. Pre-operational thought. Pre-operational stage. Pre-operational thought. Pre-operational stage. Pre-operational thought. Pre-operational stage, pre-operational thought, where the concept of object permanence develop. Object permanence develop. Object permanence का concept जो होता है वो develop हो जाता है pre-operational thought में, जो which was not present in infancy stage. In infancy stage, the child is not having the concept of object permanence. What is out of sight is out of mind also. But here the subject, the child developed the concept of object permanence. Means if you remove some of the object from the sight of the child, they about to go and search for it. They go and search for it. So the concept of object permanence developed in the child during childhood period under the pre-operational stage. Next, other categories are also developed. What are those? क्या क्या कंसेप्ट कोऑर्डिनेटेड डेवलपमेंट में आता है from 2 to 7 years when the child is in the stage of pre-operational. प्री-ऑपरेशनल स्टेज में जब बच्चा होता है तो फर्स्टली उसमें ऑब्जेक्ट परमानेंस डेवलप होता है. ऑब्जेक्ट परमानेंस इज डेवलप. देन ईगोसेंट्रिज्म आता है. ईगोसेंट्रिज्म, दे बिकम ईगो सेंटर्ड. ईगोसेंट्रिज्म मीन्स बेसिकली सेल्फ सेंटर्ड, सेल्फ फोकस. Egocentrism, self-centered. Egocentrism. ठीक है, ईगोसेंट्रिक हो जाते हैं. ईगो, द वर्ड ईगो मीन्स अबाउट सेल्फ. सेल्फ फोकस हो जाते हैं, सेल्फ सेंटर्ड हो जाते हैं इन दिस पीरियड. ठीक है, they do not they only understand their point of view, not others point of view. किसी और के point of view को वो नहीं समझ पाते, सिर्फ वो अपने ही point of view को समझते हैं. ठीक है. देन और क्या होता है इनमें? एनिमिज्म. एनिमिज्म का कंसेप्ट होता है, एनिमिज्म मतलब होता है इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो होते हैं उन नॉन लिविंग थिंग को भी लिविंग थिंग करना. ये भी कंसेप्ट होता है, नॉन लिविंग थिंग को भी लिविंग थिंग करना. एनिमिज्म. ईगोसेंट्रिज्म, दे सी द वर्ल्ड फ्रॉम देयर ओन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, नॉट द अदर. एनिमिज्म. देन ऑब्जेक्ट परमानेंस, ईगोसेंट्रिज्म, एनिमिज्म. सेंट्रेशन. सेंट्रेशन भी कंसेप्ट डेवलप होता है इसी टाइम. सेंट्रेशन मीन्स सेंटर, फोकसिंग ऑन ओनली सिंगल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एनीथिंग. एक ही कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स से फोकस करते हैं, अदर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को वो देखते ही नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप अगर 4 ईयर चाइल्ड और 5 ईयर चाइल्ड को आप ये दिखाएंगे कि 2 glasses were there, one is long, okay, one is long, one is short, but that short is broad one, but that long is narrow. What do you consider what the glass they will choose? They choose the long one because they are only seen the one characteristics of the glass, that is it is very long. Understood? Go क्या है वही दिख रहा है. द चाइल्ड इज in this stage, in this pre-operational stage, which is about 2 to 7 years, the child is only able to see the single characteristics of any object. So centration was there, animism was there, egocentrism was there, object permanence was there. So ये सारे कुछ होते हैं, object permanence, animism, egocentrism, centration. Then one more thing is there, which is इंट्यूटिव थॉट. इंट्यूटिव थॉट होता है, क्यूरियस होते हैं, उनकी क्यूरियोसिटी होती है. इंट्यूटिव थॉट होते हैं, इलॉजिकल क्वेश्चंस दे आर. उनकी एट दिस पीरियड ऑफ टाइम द थिंकिंग वाज नॉट एट ऑल लॉजिकल. लॉजिकल थिंकिंग वाज नॉट देयर. इंट्यूटिव होता है, इंट्यूटिव थॉट होता है, इलॉजिकल थिंकिंग होती है. अंडरस्टूड? Up to the 7 year. After the 7 year, the child is about to have a logical thinking. 7 years के बाद, the child will goes into the concrete operational stage. Concrete. So in concrete operational stage, 7 to 11 year, they have the pre-operational thought. Pre-operational thought means, no, sorry, concrete operational thought, which means logical thought also you can consider. Logical thinking develop. So this I had discussed about the pre-operational stage. इसमें object permanence आता है, centration, egocentrism, animism, intuitive thought. I hope you all understood and written down. Now next childhood period में ही now when the child is about 7 to 11 years, the child enter into the third stage of Jean Piaget, which is concrete operational stage. Concrete operational. ये जो स्टेज है, ये अब क्या होता है, इस स्टेज में आके बच्चा सिर्फ एक ही कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को नहीं देखता, और भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को देखता है. लॉजिक थिंकिंग जो है लॉजिकल हो जाती है, इलॉजिकल क्वेश्चंस नहीं करता, समझने लगता है. यू कैन कंसिडर दैट, जैसे बच्चे बोला जाता है, बड़े बोलते हैं, यूजली द एडल्ट यूज टू से बच्चा बड़ा हो गया, समझदार हो गया. सो दे एंटर इनटू द कंक्रीट ऑपरेशनल स्टेज वेयर द थिंकिंग बिकम लॉजिकल. 7 to 11 ईयर कंक्रीट ऑपरेशनल स्टेज. लॉजिकल थिंकिंग आ जाती है. Intuitive thought are replaced by the logical thought. Okay. इसमें भी एक स्टडी की गई है to in order to check कि कोई बॉल है, it was taken a 2 ball. In one ball they उस पर भी रोप लगाया जाता है. and one ball is made up of clay. clay पे भी रोप बांधते हैं और बच्चे से पूछा जाता है, इट वॉज आस्क्ड फ्रॉम द चाइल्ड कि इन विच बॉल इज बिग. सो चाइल्ड का रिस्पॉन्स यही होता है कि बोथ आर बिग. ऐसा नहीं बोलता है कि ये छोटा है ये बड़ा है, वो दोनों ही को बताता है. तो थिंकिंग डेवलप हो जाती है ड्यूरिंग द कंक्रीट ऑपरेशनल स्टेज अप टू द 11 ईयर. फाइन. सो वी डिस्कस द कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट. Now the 2 more development part is left here, that is socio-emotional and moral. Firstly we will discuss about moral development. Moral development में, in the moral development the work was done by, moral development में वर्क है कोलबर्ग. इनका ये कहना था स्टार्टिंग पीरियड यानी बेसिकली फ्रॉम 2 to 7 ईयर initially the child distinguish between right and wrong. Moral development is related to distinguish between right और क्या सही है क्या गलत. So it was based on reward and punishment. जिस चीज़ के लिए उन्हें reward मिलता है they understand it is very good, अच्छा ये अच्छी चीज़ है, and for what they get the punishment they consider it as bad, it is not good. So good and bad distinguish between take place on the basis of reward and punishment. But later on, as the child developed during the 7 to 11 year, द चाइल्ड इज डेवलपिंग देयर ओन मॉरल कोड, वो अपने खुद के मॉरल कोड डेवलप करते हैं. सो इन दिस वे द मॉरल डेवलपमेंट टेक प्लेस. ओके, overall I had discussed with you the childhood period. Still, if you have any doubt, you discuss with me in the classroom. Okay, thank you so much, children.